This
Okay.
conference will
Tell
now be
once again.
recorded.
Shreya, once again tell. I will
Ma'am, I
record
can
it
share
because
the
other
link here
students
only.
can repeat the thing. Actually.
Okay, ma'am, there is a website called Get Into My PC.
Okay.
And ma'am, there was a option of Adobe Photoshop CS6 free download.
Okay.
And ma'am, I just clicked on it and it showed the instructions how to do it. And
Okay.
ma'am, then it was downloaded as following the instructions.
Okay. Okay. Fine. 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 And what about Safia? What version you have? Which version you have, Safia?
CS6, ma'am.
CS6 only, right? See, who and all got CS6? See, Shreya Agarwal shared the software website also. Please copy this link. Actually, try to take it from, download it from here itself. Okay. Everybody having the CS6 means it is good actually. Say all versions are same only, but try to you download the CS6 only. Okay. Prashanki, Shreya, you have already CS6, right? Did you tried any tool yesterday? What I teached?
No, ma'am, I just downloaded right now only.
Okay, okay,
I'll
okay.
try it
So
today, ma'am.
anybody tried whatever I teached yesterday?
Ma'am, I
Any
tried
tools?
the lasso thing.
Lasso tool you tried? Okay, okay, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So you people are open the Photoshop, and did
Yes,
you
ma'am.
check the first page? File new, file open. Anything you people are checked it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anyway, you people have holiday for tomorrow, day after, 3 days holiday. So by the time you can check whatever the things I teached, please follow those things. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Anybody having any doubts? Okay. Anything that I was explained yesterday, I need to repeat those things. Aishwarya, are you there? Aishwarya Reddy, Chandana C, both are not talking. Aditi,
Yes, ma'am.
Susan.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yes.
Ma'am.
Chandana
Ma'am.
C, you
Yes,
have
ma'am.
any doubt? Which version you have, Chandana?
Ma'am, I'm trying now, ma'am. I'm trying to download now.
Okay, okay. There is a website she already Shreya is put it over there. Okay, Sharoon. Okay.
It's something
Anusha?
like get PC, something, ma'am.
Okay. Huh.
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm. Okay, try to download. Okay, because I'm teaching every day different tools, right? So that's why you need to practice that day itself. By the time you will understand step by step. Okay. Juveria, you have any doubt? Juveria, are you there?
No, ma'am.
You have?
Yes,
Did you
ma'am, I'm there.
download it? Juveria, which version you are
Yes.
downloaded? Which
Ma'am,
version
the
you are downloaded?
CS6.
See,
CS6 version,
almost
ma'am.
many people got CS6 only. So whoever didn't get the CS6, please try to download CS6 only. Okay, Sharoon M. One more, like Sharoon's Celesta. Two people are
Yes,
there
ma'am.
with the
Yes,
same
ma'am.
name.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
okay, 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 fine, fine. Kulsum and Fatima. Kulsum and Fatima. Fatima, you are there yesterday? Fatima, you are there yesterday? Are you there? You are not there, right? So please follow whatever the recorded video we are sended through YouTube, right? Please follow that, okay? Hmm?
I watched it today.
Huh?
I watched it today.
Ha. Okay, okay. Okay, Fatima. Okay. Okay, we'll go to the next tool. So I will share my screen. Today we will work with the collage work. Okay, we have to do the collage work. What is collage work? Anybody having any idea what is collage work? Anybody can talk. No problem. Okay. Shriya, Safiya, anybody knows that collage or what is collage work? You people have heard about the collage work, right?
Yes,
What is
ma'am.
collage work? Work means what?
Combining of different pictures.
Okay, combining of different pictures. Suppose we have a background. Okay, so background with the character. Okay, with the nature. So we have to combine 2 3 images together. So that time we have to do the collage work. Okay, so combination of many images. Okay, so we have to use some tools for that, for collage work. So yesterday we saw this one, right? Lazo tool. Okay, so anybody having any doubt? File new. Okay, yesterday I teach, right, all these things. File new, you have to see this width, height, resolution, all these things. Color mode, we are using RGB color. Okay, next we will go for file open. Why we have to take a file means, I have downloaded some image, because collage work means what kind of collage work we have to do. Okay, so that we have to learn. This is the collage work. Okay, this is the collage work. So yesterday I shown you people some of the images. So this girl is in a different background and this forest is in a different background, so we have to combine, and this bird is in different background. We have to cut the image and we have to combine and we have to make it as a one single image. Got it? So there are 4 different images are there. We have to use the image little bit and we have to combine all the images. Okay, the combination should be proper. So that is, we are calling collage work. Okay, everybody is getting right. So we have to use some tools for that. I will take some of the images. Okay, collage work, we have to download some of the images from the Google. Okay, so whenever you are taking the images from the Google, so the quality of the image should be good. Okay, so when you will open the image, the quality of the image, see, it should not be, when you zoom that image, it should not be blur. And look at the quality of the image. When you keep the mouse here, always image should be in a JPG format. And what is the file size of the image? See, look at there, 533 into 800. Okay, see here. So if it is a good quality image, always it will be, see here, all these are good quality images and all. So all these are 1920 into 1200, all are different sizes, all the images having. So download good quality images. Okay, you people know, right, how to download the images and all.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
We are very much expert in that. Correct? All other students are not talking. Kulsum, Fatima, nobody answering.
Yes, yes,
You're not
ma'am.
telling yes also. Okay, how I'll get to know people are staying. Okay. Okay. We will go to, I will take one image. Okay. So which image I will take? You can take any of your celebrity, your favorite celebrity image, anything you can take. Okay, I will take any good quality image. I will take this image which is having white background. Okay, this is the student image. If you give student images in the Google, you will get a good quality images. Okay, so I have white background, so I need to cut this, I need to remove this white background. So when I'll remove this white background, so I can place her image into the different background. Okay, so what I will do, I will go to this lasso tool. Yesterday you know, right, lasso tool means what happened, you can roughly cut this image. Roughly I will select this lasso tool. You can cut it however you want. You can cut it. Control D for deselect. Okay, you can roughly, you can select it. Control D for deselect. Okay, But I want this image should be properly, it should cut. Okay, so we will go to the polygonal lasso tool. Okay, so polygonal lasso tool, what happened, how it will work? For zooming, control plus plus, control minus minus, control plus plus for zoom. You can write this option, whatever the option I'm saying, control plus plus, control minus minus. Okay, I will select this tool. See, you have to start from one particular point. Okay, I will select it like this. Can you see that? Neatly, you have to select it like this. Okay. See, any of the pictures you can take it, any of your favorite cricketers, celebrities, any bridal photo, any of the things you can take. You can take your photo only. Okay, you can make the collage work. Okay, slowly you have to select the image. Okay, how much ever you want, you can select this much area only. Okay, roughly you can select it, no problem. So if you want to make it fast, see what happened now. See now what happened. See, this much thing is only combined it. So now I have to add this much part. Which tool I have to use for this? Which tool I have to use? Yesterday I teach you people. So this part is not added now. What I should do now? Anybody?
Add
Huh?
recently add
There is an option called here add to selection and subtract selection. I will go to here add to selection. Add to selection means you have to add this much area. Now this much area is missing, right? So that's why what we have to do, there is a plus mark. Can you see the plus mark over there? So I will start from here plus. Inside this only you have to take the plus mark. See how much ever area I want it, I will add it. Okay, slowly I will take the selection of this much. Okay, how much ever area I want, I will add it. Okay, here itself where you started, there itself you have to double click. See, this much area is added now. So what about this white color area? So I don't want this area, right? So what you have to do, left side you have an option here. Can you see here zoom tool? Okay, zoom tool. Zoom tool, you have to zoom particular area. You have to zoom particular area and you have to make here subtract selection. Go to the again, you have to go to polygonal lasso tool and there is an option here subtract selection. Okay, subtract selection means you will get a minus symbol. So I don't want this much area. So what I will do, I will subtract this. Okay, I will subtract this much area. Okay, we have easy tool also. Okay, next class I will teach how to cut easily without this selection. Okay, but people you have to learn, right? That's why we will go for step by step. So okay, what happened now? So she is selected now. So what I will do, using the move tool, I can move her now wherever I want. I can move it. Okay, control Z. Control Z is for what? Please unmute and talk. Control Z is for
undo.
what?
Undo,
Huh?
ma'am.
Undo.
Undo.
Suppose I want to
Undo.
go back. Control Z, one
Undo.
time I can go back. If I want to go 2, 3 times, I have to go back means what I should do? Control Alt Z. More than one undos. Okay. One
Ma'am, can
undo
you tell
means you
it,
can go
ma'am?
to, huh?
Can you tell it
Yes.
again, ma'am?
Control Z for undo. Control Alt Z. Control Alt Z for more than one undo.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Control Z and Control Alt Z. So you did some mistake. You want to go back means you have to write Control Alt Z, Control Alt Z. You can 2-3 times if you do, you can go back and you can do the corrections. Okay. So what I will do now, I will place this image with the nice background. Okay, I want to place her in front of some university or something. So I have already downloaded nice image. Okay, I have some nice image with the university. University image I have already. Let us see whether it will match or not. Okay, see, this is a good quality image. It is a high resolution image. It is a good quality HD images. Okay, then I will go to the move tool. Okay, move tool. You have to keep it like this together, both the here and here. Okay, you have any doubt in the evening after the class, you can message me by WhatsApp. You can ask me any doubt. Okay, when you open the Photoshop, maybe you don't understand, means you're not able to do it suddenly. So you have any doubt, you can ask me by WhatsApp. And whatever the assignments you people are doing, please WhatsApp me whatever the images you're doing. Okay.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
what I will do, I will go to this move tool and I will drag. I will select like this and I will drag and I will drop it. Before dropping, can you see the plus mark over there? Unmute, make it unmute, no problem. Can you see the plus mark? And
Yes,
I'm
ma'am.
dropping over there.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, look at here. I'm dropping her here. Okay. So I will close this file. I don't want this file now. Otherwise you can minimize this file, otherwise I will close this file. See, control T for what?
Scaling the
Control
image. To
T
scale the
for
image.
the
To
image.
scale, to scale the image.
Okay, scaling the image. Okay, so if, let us see, I'll try with a different background. I don't feel okay with this background, so I will try with something like this kind of background. Okay, so I have taken a new background and I will same the lady, I will drag and drop it into here. Okay, so again I will make it control T and shift alt. Why we should do shift alt?
To change
To
the
scale,
size?
to select the font equally.
Change the size, but it should scale
Properly.
properly, right?
Yeah.
So see, this background, she is suitable for this background, see. Okay, so while you are cutting, properly cut it. See, look at here, the white kind of lines are there, outlines are there. So when you are cutting the image, you should cut properly. It should look naturally. See, she is suitable for this background. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So like that, you have to try with the different background. Okay, I will go to the some other background. File open. Okay, I have this image. I have this bridal image. We'll try this bridal image. See the quality of the image. It is totally blurred. Can you see that? Fully blurred
Yes, ma'am.
image. Take this kind of images. Take a good quality images always. Then final output it will become nice. Which image shall I take? Any image I will take it. Okay. Even this image also not good. Let us see with a different image. Maybe this image is good. So I will go to, there are two different tools are there. One is polygonal lasso tool and magnetic lasso tool. Okay, I will go to this one, which is with this only, polygonal lasso tool. I will start with one point. Any point you can start it. Okay, here. You have to start it like this only. Anybody trying in the system while I'm doing it? Anybody trying simultaneously? You should answer. Girls, are you people are
No,
there?
ma'am.
Yes,
Huh?
ma'am. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Anybody is trying in the Photoshop CS, whoever downloaded?
Yes, ma'am.
You can try it, no problem. You can try it. By the time, what happened? So I'm explaining with different example because I'm giving the assignment from today. So what you have to do? You have to create a collage work. So that's why better who is having the software, please open the software in the system itself, and you have any doubt you can ask immediately, and you can share your system screen also, and you are facing any problem, you can take a screenshot of that and you can send me by WhatsApp, or here itself you can ask me the doubt. So by the time, no need to wait for me. You can ask, you can clear whatever the doubts you have. See, try anybody who is having Photoshop, please try this tool. Okay, download any images, student images, you will get it. Okay, please try download the image and try which is having the white background. Why I have taken the white background means it will be easy to find the borders. Okay, so what I'll do, I will select this thing. So where I started, I'm coming there itself. You have to end it there itself. Can you see there? Where I have started, I will come there itself. See, look at here. I will join it for there itself. Double click on this, join it. Okay. Control plus, control minus. Zoom in, zoom out. So now I will come out from this tool. I will go to this move tool. So move tool mainly we are using to move the image from one place to another place. So I will try this image from here. I will try this image. Okay. Control T. Shift Alt, and you have to according to image only you should keep it. Okay. You cannot make so tall, all those things. Okay. You have to keep it somewhere here, which is suitable for this. Otherwise, I will take some other image, file open. Let us see which image we can join. Okay, this image maybe. Okay, so I will take her. So you have to click on here, this file. Okay, using the move tool, you have to click here. Okay, click on the right side of the image. Right side, we have already selected the image, right? So you have to select it, you have to drag and drop it here. Okay. Okay, background is changed. You can take your sister, your photos only, any of your photo is there in the system, you can change the background like this, you can make it. Okay, you no need to do it all so much, and you should not stretch the image like this. Okay, so shift alt, always you should use shift alt, otherwise control alt z. Okay, control z, control alt z, control t, shift alt, and you have to reduce the size of that, reduce the size of the image. Okay, according to the background only you have to do the image properly. Anybody having any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Juveria, where is
Yes,
other two
ma'am.
girls missing? Other two girls are missing. Sharon is there. Sharon is there. Okay, Vrishank is there. Fatima is there. Juveria is there. Last. Okay, Usna Kazi. Okay, okay. You are there, right? Usna, you
Yes, ma'am.
have any doubt?
Ma'am, yesterday I had used the pen tool instead of the lasso tool
Okay.
and then made a vector mask out of it.
Hmm? You did it?
Like,
That you are able to do with the pen tool?
yes, ma'am.
You can do it with the pen tool also. Pen tool also, it will also work like same only, laser tool, polygonal laser tool only. So, but
Yes, ma'am.
pen tool, I will go after 4 5 class. After 4 5 class only, I will go to the pen tool because you
Okay.
can make a curve shape with the pen tool. So that is,
Yes,
it
ma'am.
will come with the advanced option and all. It will come. So once you will learn the basic things, then only you can go to the pen tool because your
Yes,
hand
ma'am.
will, it will become free and you will know how to make the collage works and all. So pen tool, why we are using the pen tool? Mainly to create the shapes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, for cutting the image also we can use it, Usna, but mainly to create a shapes in the poster designs and all. We have a curve shapes and all, no? So that kind of shapes when we have to create, so that time we can use the option. Okay, any kind of this kind of curve shapes are there, no? So those
Yes,
shapes and
ma'am.
all we have to cut. Otherwise, we have to create. Okay, so that time we have to create without taking the images. We have to create the design, means that time we have to use the pen tool. Okay, what I'm
Yes, ma'am.
teaching is now it is very easy option. So you can
Yes,
go to
ma'am.
the this one here. If you select this polygon laser tool, you have two options are there: add to selection and subtract selection. Any other people used any other tools? Vrushanki, Fatima, Anusha, Juveria, anybody can tell, no problem. Any tools you people are used till now. For you opened the Photoshop and you used any tools? Juveria?
Yes, ma'am.
What tools did you used any tool?
Ma'am, yesterday I only tried the feather thing, ma'am.
Feather has come. How much feather you have
Yes,
given? How much
ma'am.
feather? Huh.
I gave 100, ma'am.
Ayyabba, 100. So much. Why you given so much? 100
No,
and
ma'am.
all
I
you
was
should
just
not give.
trying. I was just trying all the numbers.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay,
So,
fine, fine. Try it yourself, nothing will happen.
yes.
Okay. Okay, when you are doing the proper work, so that time you should not give more feather like that, like 5, 10, 15. So that much only you have to apply. Okay. Okay,
Okay.
you can experiment yourself, no problem. Okay. So what I am saying. Okay. So anybody having any doubt with this polygonal laser tool? So, what is the assignment is write the question everybody. Create a collage work, create a collage work, create the collage works using the polygonal laser tool and magnetic laser tool. Polygonal laser tool and magnetic laser tool. Create a collage work using the polygon laser tool, magnetic laser tool and layers. So layers I didn't teach now, still I'll tell you. Okay, use the polygon laser tool, a magnetic laser tool and layers. So you people have to take a different concept. Okay, nature, otherwise this university background, otherwise you use your creativity. Any see there is a ship is coming from something like that. Okay, so you can add some more thing. Okay, so now I'm going to for this only. Look at here. I will take one image, different image. Look at here. I'm taking this image now, this tiger image. So what I will do, I will go to here again. I will use this magnetic laser tool. Okay, everybody can see, right? Magnetic laser tool. So how it will work? Magnetic laser tool. I will select one point. Okay, so automatically it is taking. Can you see that? Automatically it is cutting for the border. Automatically it is taking for the border. Okay, see, automatically it is coming down. According to the shape, according to the color, it is taking automatically. So you can click one point here. Wherever the curve option is there, you can click one point here. Again, you can click one point over there here. Okay, so there is a curve over there. So you can select one point and you can select one point over here. There is an option of curve. Okay, it is selected easily compared to lasso tool and polygonal lasso tool. This magnetic tool is very easy. So what you have to do, it is selected now. Again in this also same option you have magnetic lasso tool. You have an option add to selection and subtract selection. Okay, any of the part if it is missing you can add to selection or subtract selection. So I'll go to this move tool. It is selected now. I will drag and I will drop it here. Can you see that? I'm dragging and I'm dropping to the this file. There is a plus mark over there. Okay, you can drag and you can drop it here. Okay, then you can use Control T to scale the image. Okay, now it is looking like she's standing with the tiger. Okay, so like that we can do it. Everybody can see that, right? Okay, so I will go to this one, magnetic lasso tool. Okay, I will show with a different example. Now I will go to different option. Why I'm using this one? So I will go to the window layers. You have to write this option. Write it, window layers. Shortcut is F7. Window layers. Okay, when you will open this layers, can you see here? Now background, this is the layer actually, window layers. So background is in different layer. In layer 1 this girl is there, layer 2 there is a tiger. Okay, can you see the eye mark? You can on and off, you can hide and unhide. Okay, if you don't want this image you can hide it. Okay, if you don't want this tiger image you can hide it. Okay, if you don't want this background, I want a different background, you can bring the different background. Okay, can you see this eye mark? Okay, this is the hiding option. Okay, so what you have to do, see if I don't want this I will hide it. So all the images are there in different layers. Okay, so what I will do, so anytime you can select the layer. See, if the layer is selected means it will be there in the blue color. Can you see that? So if this tiger wants to go behind this girl, you have to bring the layer 2 to layer 1. Okay, so now it is going behind. Okay, it should come front means I will send it up. Everybody is getting right? See, layer 2 it is coming down, layer 1 is going up like this. Okay, you have to select that particular layer and you have to move it. Okay, so I will take one more image. Which image I will take? I will take this image. Again I will go to which tool? I will go to same magnetic lasso tool. I will zoom this, control plus, I will zoom this and I will select from particular area. See, neatly it is selecting, automatically, slowly it is selecting. See, you have to add one point here. Wherever the curves are there, you have to add one point over there. So I feel polygonal lasso tool easy compared to magnet. See, it is selected everywhere now. Control minus zoom out. Control minus zoom out. So what I have to do now, I have to use the add to selection. I will go to here and I will select one point here. Now I want to add this much area. This much area is missing, right? So I'm adding this part now. Okay. So where you started, from there itself, you have to end it. So this much area is added. So if I don't want means I will go to the subtract selection. So there's a minus option has come. Then we have to use the subtract selection. Control minus. Please use the shortcut. Okay. Try to use the shortcut left hand always to do the shortcuts. Okay. See now again this is the subtract selection. See I'm using the subtract selection. Okay. So I will go to this move tool. I'm keeping here. I will please keep it side by side and keep this layer this side. So what I'll do, use the move tool and drag and drop it to this file. Okay. Control T. I will close the old file. Whatever the files I have taken till now, I'll close all the files. I don't want any of these files. Okay, I'm working with one file only. So what I will do, I will close whatever the rest of the file is open. Okay, so I'll go to Control T. Control T, I will scale the image. I will use always Shift Alt and I will scale the image. So now what happened, her legs are missing. So I will send her back now. Okay, Control T, I'll make her little small and I will place this tiger here. Okay, so like that you have to manage. If you don't have any particular image, proper image, so like that you have to manage it. So if you want to send her back, so you can send her the layer 3, you have to send behind the layer 1. So look at here. Got it? How to make this? Okay, now I can ask questions, right? Safia, Shreya Agarwal, what doubts you have now? Shreya,
Yes, ma'am.
hmm, what doubt you have? Anusha, you
Ma'am.
people are understood what I said, what I teased. Lasso tool, polygonal lasso tool, and magnetic lasso tool.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you people can do the assignments, whatever the assignment, this collage works, you can do it. Vrashanki, please unmute everybody. Fatima, Anusha, Sharoon, Juveria, unmute yourself and tell me, are you people can do this assignment
Yes,
to
ma'am.
make the collage
Yes,
work?
ma'am.
Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
So Anusha, which tool you are comfortable? I'm teaching you, right? So which tool you feel comfortable? Which is polygonal lasso tool or magnetic lasso tool? Which is useful?
Ma'am, magnetic laser tool.
Hmm. Magnetic lasso tool, you can use it. Okay. So next who is? What about Shreya? Shreya,
Ma'am,
which tool is
polygon,
comfortable? Safia, you anybody can answer. No.
polygon laser tool.
Which tool is comfortable? Polygonal laser tool or magnetic laser tool?
Ma'am,
Magnetic laser
polygon.
tool.
Okay, you have to take a proper image which is having good quality. Okay, and you have to. Sometime what happens, some students they will take the image like background quality, background image is having good quality, but the character is not having good quality. Okay, then they will combine both the images, then it will become blur. So you have to take both the images having the having good qualities. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to zoom this control plus, then you will understand how it will be. And otherwise when you are keeping in the folder itself, right? So image, when you're keeping the images in the folder, please open like this and zoom it, and you can check yourself whether this image you can use it in the Photoshop or not. Can you see that? Are you able to use this kind of image?
No, ma'am.
See this image. See, if you zoom it, it will become blur. See, this is a good quality image. And even see, this is a good quality image. How much ever you will zoom, it will not become blur. Okay. So when we are in Photoshop, we have to use the proper images. Please try to do this kind of collage work. Okay. So use
Yes,
your creativity and please try to do this kind of collage work. One second. Okay. So you have to save the file. How to save the file? How to save the file? Which format we are using saving the file?
JPEG or GNG? PNG.
JPG or PNG.
Not PNG. JPG or PNG is correct. Uh, one second. I will move this tiger. Enter. Okay. So I will select it like this. I'm hiding. I will make a hide of this image. She's half only she's there, no? Like that. Okay, what I will do, I will go to file, save as. File, save as. You should save it in the format of PSD format. This is the source file format. JPG and PNG both are in, those are the output format. That is the final output format actually. This is the PSD format. This is the source file. So you have to write the tool name or anything. What is this? Polygonal lasso tool. I will write the tool name. Okay, otherwise you can write collage work. Otherwise you can write work 1, work 2, like that. You can give a proper name. You can give the tool name, polygonal lasso tool, like that. You can give the name of that. So you have to create one folder in the desktop. You have to make one folder in your name. Okay, you have to make in your one folder, Photoshop work. Okay. So in that folder, you have to make a how to save it. Okay, work1.psd. It is saving in the format of PSD. PSD means what is the full form of PSD? Photoshop document. I will save this. Okay, just give OK for everything. So now what happened? I'll go to the desktop. I will see the file. Photoshop work. I will go to the Photoshop work folder. Still it is saving.
Ma'am, you saved it in Photoshop folder. Name of the folder is Photoshop.
Oh, it is saved here. Okay, Control C. I will go to this and okay, I will save as. I will do save as. Again, file save as. I will go to the desktop Photoshop work folder only. I will save it. Okay. So now it is there, correct? Work 1, it is there. Okay, this is the source file. Source file means anytime you can open the Photoshop and you can do the changes in this. Okay, so that is final output. What I will do, I will go to this again Photoshop. I will go to file, save as in the format of JPG. This is the final output. JPG format is here. Down in the format option, you have to change it here. JPEG and same thing, the same name itself. I will save it. Okay, give the quality 12 maximum. No need to do all these changes and all. Just give OK. Where it is saved? JPG format. Now it is saved. See, you people are got it. What is the difference between PSD format and JPG format? JPG format is the final output format. So you can directly open and see the image. You can directly open this thing and you can see the image. Okay, if somebody asking show me your works and all, so no need to open the software itself. You can show this. You can open this image and you can show the work itself. This is the final output. Anybody having any doubt? Girls,
No,
anybody
ma'am.
having any doubts?
No,
Who
ma'am.
is not
No.
asking the doubts? Juveria and Fatima. Fatima, Anusha, Lokesh. Any doubt, Fatima?
No, ma'am.
Juveria?
No, ma'am.
What
No
what
doubts.
kind of collage works you people have to do? Anybody having any idea? Please tell me. What kind of collage works you have to do? You like to do anything if it is there in the mind. I shown my idea. You have to tell me what kind of work you can do it. When I'm teaching, what kind of idea you are getting? People are you people are decided to do any idea like I want to do like this kind of collage work. Okay, my student used to tell, ma'am, there is a sea over there, and ship is coming, and there is a the ship is going into the shark mouth. So something like that. That is a total creativity work. There's a shark. They will cut the shark image, and they will cut the ship image, and they are making it like that. So you have to make the collage work. If something creative ideas you people are getting, please try to make something like that. Shreya,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am. You people are getting idea? No.
Ma'am, I am sitting on the top of the moon.
Huh? You're
Ma'am, a
sitting on
girl
top of
sitting the
what?
moon, ma'am. Ma'am, moon.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. It's a good idea. Yes, yes. You people take your images only. Any of your images are there. Please try to do something like that only. Your friend or any of the images, family photos, anything you can take and you can do the editing of that. Okay. So I will take one more image. Let us see. So any doubt, people who are having the saving the file format. So there are two file formats are there. See, when you will go to here, there is an option here, list, or you will go to the details. If you go to the detail, here it is showing. It is a JPG format and the Adobe Photoshop format. Can you see that? This is Adobe Photoshop format and this is the JPG format. So both the formats are available. Okay. So I will take some other image. I will tell you how to use the layers. Hmm, okay. Where is my folder? Photoshop. Okay. Okay. I have this image now. So what kind of image I could download? What kind of image I should place here? Anybody can answer, no problem. Tell me your creative idea. Nobody? Girls, you people should talk. See, now I will take this image. So I will go to here, file open. See, I have this background. So I will go to this. I have one car image here. So I will take this car image. I will take this car image. Then I will go to this magnetic lasso tool. Okay. So I will go to the different tool now. Easy tool. Okay. I will go to here. There is an option. Please write the tool name, quick selection tool and magic wand tool. Okay, we have two different tools compared to this tool, lasso tool, polygonal lasso tool. We have one tool called quick selection tool and magic wand tool. You have to select this quick selection tool. So can you see the plus mark? What happened? It will select quickly. So it will select quickly. But the problem, you know what, that method is different. So when you are using this one polygonal lasso tool, that method is different, and this quick selection tool method is different. Okay, see here it is what happened. You have to select that particular area, then you have to add from one place to another place. So when you will go to the quick selection tool, so it will select very quickly. See, automatically it will select all the shadows, everything it will select it. So we have to remove some of the part. Okay, before going to this tool, anybody having any doubt with this polygonal or magnetic lasso tool? Anybody having any doubt? Because I have to go to the other tool. Anybody
No
having
doubt.
any doubt? See
No,
here,
ma'am.
I already teased these three tools actually. One is this one, rectangular mark tool, elliptical mark tool, and lasso tool, polygonal lasso tool, magnetic lasso tool is over. And we have an option here next to quick selection tool and magic wand tool. So I given the assignment. You can use any tool for to do the collage work. Polygonal lasso tool you can work, and magnetic lasso tool also you can use it. Otherwise I'm teaching you people this one, quick selection tool and magic wand tool. So you can use this tool also. Okay, so what I will do, I will select this much area. Automatically you have to use the left click. Always you should use the left click. Okay, again here we have an option here, add to selection, subtract selection. Okay, please write the name of the tool. Quick selection tool, shortcut is W. Magic wand tool, shortcut is W. Quick selection tool and magic wand tool, shortcut is W. Okay, so what I will do now, so there is an option here, add to selection and subtract selection. So whether I need to add or this one I have to subtract, tell me anybody. Anusha,
Subtract, ma'am.
please tell me what I should do. I have to do adding or subtracting?
Adding, ma'am.
Adding. So which tool I have to take, Anusha? Plus or minus I should take for adding?
Plus, ma'am.
So I will take this tool. So I will click on this part where it is not adding, it is subtracting. So here completely compared to magnetic lasso tool, it is working in the reverse direction. So if I give minus here, so what happened? It is taking how much ever I want. See here. See, only this much area only I want. Okay. See now what happened. See this background and with this car, two different layer it is created. So but I want only the car. See now what happened. This layer is locked. So now the car is in background layer. This car is in background layer. We have to unlock this layer. Suppose I want to move this, means I have to unlock this layer. Okay, can you see here? There is an option here, right click, right? There is an option of lock. Okay, I will double click on this lock, then the lock will get open. See, I'll give the option of okay. It is opened. Can you see that? So the lock is open. So now what I will do, I can take this layer. Let us see which tool is easy. You have to do that only. See, now what happened, the purpose is not served actually. So we want only the car background, correct? We don't want the white background, we want only the car. So I go to Control Z. So what I will do, I will open this lock. I will open this lock, and what I should do, please write the procedure. Anybody could not follow this thing means, please write the procedure, because see, polygonal lasso tool easily you can select that thing and you can bring it to this side, correct, other file. Here what you have to do, you have to first quick selection tool, you have to select the particular area and you have to lock and unlock. Look at here, lock, this is lock, this you have to unlock this. Okay, you have to unlock this. Now I have to remove this white background. What I should do to remove the white background, anybody can tell? Sharon, Aditi or not, Aditi and Chandana, Aishwarya, please tell me what I should do to remove the white background now. Aditi, Chandana, Aishwarya, you people are there?
Yes,
Aditi,
ma'am.
Aishwarya, tell me what I should do for that. To remove the white background, what I have to do? Chandana, you have any idea what I should do? Are you there, Chandana? You are unable to talk means there is a problem with the internet, anything. Please message me here. Aditi, Aditi, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me what I should do to remove the background. This is the this car image. I have to remove the background. I use this one quick selection tool. I have used it. So what I should do for that to remove the white background? Any idea you have? You have any queries? Please type it over here in the chat box. Safia,
Yes, ma'am.
Sharon, anybody can tell the answer. What I should do if I have to remove the white background? No idea.
No, ma'am.
We
So
can
what
use
I will do,
lasso.
I will just delete it. Just you have to use the delete key in the keyboard. So it is remove the background. Just you have to control Z. I'll make again the background has come. So I will just give the delete. Only delete key you have to use. Then you have to give control D. Control D means deselect. Control Z, not control Z. Control D for deselect. Okay, so what I will do, slowly I will go to this move tool and I will bring it to this background. Okay, control T you can make. I will close this file. Control T, you have to close this file. According to the image you can bring it. So when you do the selection, control T, you can scale the image. Simultaneously you can rotate the image. Can you see that? You can
Yes,
rotate the
ma'am.
image. There is an option over here.
Yes,
There is
ma'am.
an option here, rotate the image. You can scale it and you can rotate it. Okay, slightly you have to rotate the image. So little bit, shift alt only you should use always. Okay, you have to use the shift alt, control T and shift alt. According to the this thing, you have to make it. Suppose if I want to flip this image, what I should do? Suppose I want to flip the car. You people have
Rotate.
written this option, right? Quick selection tool you have written, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So I have to rotate this. How to rotate the car? I have to flip it. What you people know any options? How to flip the car?
Control T, ma'am.
Control T. Afterwards, you people tell me how to make.
Shift Alt and rotate.
Huh?
Shift Alt and rotate.
Not not like that. So when you do the control T, there is some procedure is there for everything. So right click on this. Right click. If you right click, what happened? There is a option here. Rotate 180 degree, rotate 90 degree, rotate 90 clockwise, anti-clockwise, and flip horizontal, flip or vertical. Please write all this option. First, how this option will come? First, you have to select the image and control T, then right click on that. Please write all this option. Rotate 180 degree, rotate 90 degree, rotate clockwise, anti-clock, flip horizontal and flip vertical. All are writing, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Flip horizontal, flip vertical. Okay. So I will take any of the option, rotate 90 degree. So it will come like this. I'll go to control Z. Again, I will use all the option like this, flip, rotate 180 degree. See, all are coming with a different options. Rotate, flip horizontal. See, it has come proper now. Before it was like this. I given flip horizontal, it has come like this. Okay, control Z. Before that, what I will do, okay, you have written right all this option, rotate 180 degree, rotate 90 degree, clockwise, anti-clockwise, flip horizontal and flip vertical. Okay, so I will give flip horizontal, then I will place the image wherever I want. Compared to that, this image is suitable now. So if we flip it, then so what I will do, I will take the duplicate. I want one more car. Okay, the same color. I want one more car. So what I will do, I will take the duplicate copy of this. This the same image. Okay. So what you have to do in the layer here, we have an option here, layer one. Right click on this. We have an option here, duplicate layer. Please write this option also. Click on the layer one and you have to write the option called duplicate layer. Right click on the layer 1, there is an option called duplicate layer. Okay, so it will tell like this, duplicate layer, you will get this option. Okay, see layer 1 copy, but where is the car? So it was here only. Okay, you have to bring it this side. Okay, got it everybody?
Yes,
All are
ma'am.
following, right? What I'm
Yes, ma'am.
saying? See,
Yes,
okay. Now
ma'am.
what I did, I will take in the duplicate copy of this. Now again I will flip it. Control T, again you have to use it and flip horizontal. Okay, so both are in the opposite direction now. It is flipped. Okay, one is near, one is far. Also you can make it. Somewhere here it is like this. Little. Otherwise, both are in the same way. Also you can write. Control T. So it should go back of this car means you have to bring the layer down like this. You have to click on the layer 1 copy is there, so you have to make it down like this and you have to send it back this car. Okay, control P, you can make it and you can make it little small. You can see one more car is standing like that. Okay, anything you can make the collage work. Okay, anybody having any doubts about this one? I need to show some more example. Anusha, Fatima, tell me, you people explain me how to do this one, quick selection tool. How to use the quick selection tool. Whatever the methods you written, please explain me. Anybody? You already written the notes, right? Huh. Please explain me. You people already written the notes, right? Please explain me what you have to do with the quick selection tool. How to select? What is the next procedure? Tell me anybody. Shreya, Chandana, Aditi. Anybody can explain whoever understood the procedure. Nobody understood the procedure? Girls, you people should talk. Hello, all are there in the class? Chandana, Safiya, all are available? All are there? Sharu?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you people understood the procedure?
Yes,
How to
ma'am.
use the quick selection tool?
Select image, Control T, right click.
Control T,
And
right click on this.
flip horizontal.
Okay. Okay.
Then both will be in opposite direction.
Okay, both will be, if you want, you can keep it in the opposite direction, otherwise anything is okay. So, like that, you can make it. Okay. So, I will show once again quick selection tool. I will go to here, quick selection tool, shortcut is W. See, when you open the quick selection tool, it should be in the normal mode. This is the normal mode, new selection. Later you can do the add or subtraction. So I will go to this one, normal mode. Okay, so you have to click here. So wherever you want, you just have to click the point. Okay, you have to click the point and there is an option called subtract. See why you have to use the subtract? So this much area is not added for this, correct? So that
Yes.
time we have to use the subtract selection. Sometime what happens, subtract will also not work. See, subtract is working according to the color, subtract is working. Zoom it and check whether everything is coming properly or not. Zoom it and check. See what happened. See now, see somehow you are using it also, it is not coming properly. See this much area you are not able to cover it properly. So what you people have to do, you have to use the polygonal lasso tool, you can use it. Otherwise, can you see here one more option here? You can reduce the size of this brush. This circle is there, no? You can reduce the size of this brush. This is the property window. So here you can see the options, subtract selection, addition selection, and here the size of the brush. You can reduce the size of the brush. Slowly you can reduce the size of the brush and you can Add selection, you can take it. See how much ever area you want, only that much area only. See, slowly you have to zoom it and you have to add it like this. See how much ever you want, only that much only you have to do. Ma'am already teached you people easy option. So you people, that's why I given already one question. Polygonal laser tool and magnetic laser tool only you have to use, and you have to create the collage work. Correct? So I
Yes.
already given the question. Please try to use the polygonal laser tool and magnetic laser tool. That those tools are very important actually, because always this is the option only we have to use, because we can cut very neatly with this polygonal laser tool. All these quick selection tools and all, it is secondary, like if it is necessary so much, that time only. If it is a white background, then only we can use the quick selection tool. So it will not help for the colored background. I will show you people, when it is a white background, then only it is working, otherwise it will not work. I will show. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to unlock this layer, then we have to delete it. So background will remove now. The background will remove, the white background will remove. Now I can place this tiger. I will use the move tool and I will place this tiger here somewhere. Somewhere you can keep it, no problem. Wherever you want, you can keep it. I'll close this file. So see now what happened. Control T. I will scale the image. Okay. You can keep it like this, and you can move this car little bit this side. Okay. I'm making the space for this. Okay. It is sitting in front of this. Okay. So Control P. You can little bit. You can scale the image. So what I should do now? It is going back of this car layer. What I should do for this? Anybody can answer? Anybody have an answer?
You should lock, ma'am. You should lock. Mhm.
Please talk loudly.
You should lock the layer, ma'am.
No, locking, all those things are done. That is when you are using the quick selection tool. Now what is the problem is, all these images are in different layer. Correct? So what
Yes,
I
ma'am.
have to do now, this tiger layer is going inside of this car layer. How to make it? How to do it? How to, because it should not go inside to this car. So how to do that?
Ma'am, put the car behind the tiger.
Huh?
You have to put
Yes,
the
ma'am.
car behind the tiger.
No, we cannot do. So we have to do some arrangements with the layers itself. So we have to see, this is a tiger layer, correct? I will hide and
Yes,
unhide
ma'am.
it. So you have to layer 2, always it should top of this, means always it should not go behind. See now it is not going inside this car. See, always should be this layer 2, always it should be the top of this. Okay, like this.
Yes,
If
ma'am.
we'll bring it layer 2, if we'll bring it down like this, then it is back side of this car. So it is going behind. It is going behind somewhere here. It is there like that. Okay. It should come front, means what you have to do? You
Change
have
the
to
layer.
send it. You have to, before it was like this, you have to bring it to up. Okay. So then you can increase the or decrease the size of this. Okay. Okay, people do the assignment with this polygonal lasso tool and magnetic lasso tool only, because all the tools are doing with the different all the tools are having different kinds of functions are there. So you have to learn each and everything tools, because mainly we are using Photoshop for image editing. So image editing things only, we have to take the particular proper images, good quality images, and we have to do the editing. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So what I'm saying, see now why it is not working for some of the background. I will take it colored background. Suppose I have this colored background. So then here I will go to this one, quick selection tool. See, can you see that? Only white background only it will useful, not with the colored background. See, quick selection tool I have used it. Can you see that? It is not selecting very neatly. So if you want to select any particular photos means you have to use always polygonal lasso tool. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So with the color background you cannot use it. See, quick selection tool, if you do add to selection, subtract selection, anything if you make it also, it will not come. See here. Somewhere it is okay. It is not. See, automatically it will take, because both the red and red colors both are merging, right? So that's why it is not taking particularly. So it is good that how much ever area you want, you can go to this polygonal lasso tool and slowly you can select it. Okay. So you have to present the work, okay, by before Monday. Okay, whatever the assignments I have told, you have to create 2 collage works, not single work. Please do 2 collage work. Okay, any of the things
Okay, ma'am.
please make it yourself comfortable, and any questions you have, you can ask me by WhatsApp. Any doubts you people are having. Okay,
Yes,
anybody
ma'am.
having any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Sharon, any doubt you have?
No, ma'am.
Is it easy or difficult?
Easy, ma'am.
Easy.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
how many works you can do? Sharon, how many works you can do? You can submit me. 2 collage works you can do?
Yes, ma'am.
2 collage works. Please use your creativity and do it in a with the good quality images. You have to do it. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Anybody having doubt? Sharon and Aditi, Safia, Husna, all are there. Husna is there.
Yes, ma'am.
Ah. Chandana, see,
Yes,
is
ma'am.
not talking actually. Chandana,
Yes,
see
ma'am.
what happened. No answer from your side. Chandana, see. Chandana, see what
Ma'am, I
happened.
spoke. Hello.
Ah, yeah. Tell me, Chandana. Okay. Is it easy, Chandana? She will mute and unmute suddenly.
Yes, ma'am. I have to try once in software also, ma'am.
Okay.
I have
Please
understood, ma'am.
download already. Shreya has given Shreya Agarwal. I think she's given here the link. Please take the link, and you have to download Photoshop CS6 version. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Try to download today itself, and whatever the tools I have teached you people, I want the assignment Monday. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Everybody can do it, right?
Yes, ma'am.
You have
Yes,
any
ma'am.
doubt, please WhatsApp me. Okay. Shall I
Okay,
end the
ma'am.
class?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.